Time lag between what you want, what you say you want, and the 3D delivery. That's what we're going to be talking about today, people, because this is really important. It's not there to make you upset and angry. It's there to protect your life, literally. I give you an example. What if you said, I always attract the wrong people, or men are horrible cheaters, and there was no time lag. Money always runs out. I don't deserve this. I will gain weight if I just look at donut. I'm gonna shoot myself. I will be ill. And if there was no time lag, it was no delay, time delay in manifesting. Imagine if you manifested it instantly. So you would be meeting only horrible people. All men in the world would be cheating on you. You would never deserve anything. You would be constantly ill and fat. Not only you wouldn't survive till next Tuesday, you would definitely wouldn't survive till next Thursday because of everything you say. Do you know why the time delay is there? It's there to save you. And I will explain. So imagine you have 60 to 80,000 thoughts a day. And imagine if I was really, really, really nice to you and 1% of these thoughts manifested instantly. That's 600 to 800 thoughts a day manifesting instantly that second. You wouldn't live long. Horrible things would be happening to you. The time delay is a savior because it gives you space to say, sorry, I shouldn't have said that. Cancel, cancel, delete, delete. Bring that thought which flew out of your brain into the space, bring it down. That's what I do. And you can replace it. I always attract unbelievable, wonderful people. Men are excellent. They're so loyal, so kind. They love me. They adore me. They're in love with me so much. Money is abundant. I have so much money, I'm rolling naked in it. I always lose weight. I'm always perfectly healthy. It gives you a chance to self-correct, kill that horrible thing, and replace it with something you actually want. Do you understand? It's being kind to you, yet you absolutely hate it. I say something now and I want it now. Well, what if it worked like that, but it worked like that with the negative thoughts? Can you imagine what a horrible life you'd lead? You wouldn't be able to sustain it. It would be absolute, total Armageddon, total disaster, and you'd hate it. So stop believing, I hate time lag, I want everything to happen now. Yeah, that would be good if you had 100% great thoughts, 100% of thoughts of things you actually want. That would be amazing. But still, it would be so much chaos. You wouldn't know what hit you, and you wouldn't be able to cope. Because imagine you're driving, it's like, that's a nice car, I want that one, and you got it. And that's a nice car, I want that one, and you got it. And that's a nice house, I want that, you would get it. Do you know that in 5 days you would be owner of 30 houses and 100 cars, and you wouldn't know what to do with it? You wouldn't be able to park it in front of your house. You just wouldn't know what to do with it. You would be totally stuck and you would be regretful. You'd be regretful that there is so much tension and so much pressure on you because you'd get thousands of shoes, hundreds of handbags, tens of different sunglasses. But that's nice. You can have that, but it would come all at once. You'd be like, I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I have anxiety attack. I think I have panic attack. I don't know what to do. I'm standing here and I'm surrounded by thousands of things and I can't even move. And I can't cope with this. I just can't cope with this. This is not what I want. I want it, yeah, but spread out a little bit so I can adjust and cope and breathe. So stop being angry that there is a time lag. Stop being angry that there is a time delay because you wouldn't be able to cope with good things manifesting instantly in 1 second and with bad things manifesting instantly in 1 second. I still insist that manifesting is instant on two different tiers, two different levels. But if everything, things come to me under a second, but if everything I ever thought came to me in 1 second, can you imagine 80,000 things coming to me in 1 second in one day? I would never sleep again. I wouldn't be able to cope. So be grateful and gracious about time delay and time lag because it's letting you live and adjust and adjust and adjust. Adjust your thoughts and adjust your stress levels and your energies. So say thank you and leave it alone. People who are master manifestors are not people who don't have delay. They just cope better. They get everything because of extreme trust in themselves and trust in universe and trust in life. Not because they they have different uh, time delay that you do. No, they just manifest the way they're supposed to. Command universe, 100 million, get it done. Thanks. And they leave it alone. They breathe. They get on with washing dishes, doing the garden, setting up a new business, and it comes to them. But if you think that master manifestors don't have time delay, you're delusional. Everyone does. That's laws of physics. That has nothing to do with manifesting as such. It's laws of physics. If you think that I consider myself to be a master manifester because my manifestations stun other manifesting coaches, but if I say 100 million, no, it's not going to happen in 1 second. That is bordering on impossible. Everything is possible, but this is bordering on impossible. So just enjoy your day, enjoy your life. The calmer you are, the more you're going to manifest and leave it alone. And when you leave things alone, when you don't stress about them, and when you keep self-correcting, well, I shouldn't have said that, that's fuck, but I'm gonna get it. No, I'm not saying it. I'm gonna correct it now. Everything will come to you. For those of you who stayed with me, there's a wonderful freebie in the description of the video. It's fantastic. It's about how to manifest in 1 second, which you can, but not everything, not 80,000 times a day. And you download it, have a read through it, you love it, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Enjoy yourselves. Bye-bye.